Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make Oreo ice cream. Here we go! First step, we'll crush 8 pieces of Oreo cookies in a plastic bag, then set aside. Second step, we use mixer to blend 550 grams of the whipping cream. It takes about 10 minutes at fast speed until you see it becoming creamy. Third step, we measure 110 grams of condensed milk. Then mix with the whipping cream and blend about 1 minute. Fourth step, we add the smashed oil into the mixture. Then mix all together. Finally, we put in freezer for 10 hours. Next day, the ice cream is good to serve. The Oreo ice cream is yummy. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe. Bye bye.